So hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Fitness with Computer Geek. In the last vlog of my way to NIT Hamipur, I have shown you my journey from Delhi to Chandigarh. Now in this vlog, I will be showing you just in some view from Chandigarh to Hamipur. So my journey began, after crossing Una. I just about to, and from Una there is 62 kilometer running to Hamidpur. After crossing Una, out of sudden the atmosphere becomes so much beautiful, and there was drastic change in the atmosphere, winds as well as the weather, everything. So most fascinating thing about these roads I've seen is the turning. You can see the turning here. The way the roads are made, it's quite marvelous. Civil engineering. So you can see how roads are made by cutting through the mountain, by making a way through the mountains. And there are lots, so that's why there are lots of turn, because you cannot make a way between mountain via straight line. So there are lot of stuff. So also this place, fascinating thing about this place, I'm seeing the beautiful scenario. You can see there the greenery around both the side of the roads, and I think the rainfall is also now begins. So now the weather become now more pretty, and just I am quite I was somewhat you can say I was somewhere my mind was somewhere else by being this view. It's give me some inner peace, mental peace there after seeing this view. I think everyone get the mental peace from from greenery everywhere, because it's a natural thing in this earth. Not although scientific revolution is good, but it's not give you the inner peace or something. Happiness is seeing this this beautiful weather only. So you can see my window my window has been covered with some rains. Okay, my window is covered with rains, and that's why I just close my window and making my vlog from out inside the window, because I don't want to get sick. I don't want to get sick at that time, because I have my RT-PCR test in the next day. So this is the view. You can see, enjoy. Also see, you can now hear the air running through the car rushing towards rushing in the road with high speed by cutting the airs around. So you can see the air sound of air from both the side. Actually I was physically present here, so I can more visualize it, but nevertheless just virtual tools is somewhat also good when you cannot travel and you are stuck at home. So just enjoy the view. So I would suggest that you must visit this place. Once in a lifetime, people must visit this beautiful land. There is no traffic, no anything else, just the turning and the mountain ranges. Okay, you can see the beautiful scenario here. The skies, the mountains are touching the skies, and I think I am now very close to Hamidpur. So you can see the nice air sound is the wind sound is still coming. So that's the case here. Okay, you can see the now sun is about to set, because I think it's around 3 p.m. now, so it's evening time. That's why you can also you can some of you have gets from the view of this scenery. Okay, so oh my god, there is another turn. Okay, you can see it. Oh my god, I was just about to get banked in the other side of the road. Okay, beautiful. And you can sleep. My companion was sleeping at the cab, so I too feel sleepy there, because we haven't slept for 2 nights. and this by seeing this weather, it's given the inner peace around, and you can just in a flick of the moment you will fall asleep. So but I just wanted to capture the view, so I was awake and just capture the views for you guys. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this view. So I think I'm now very close to Hamirpur. Okay, this is the way to NIT Hamirpur. So you can see the beautiful way here. I think it's very rare in a populated and traffic oriented country, India. It is very difficult to find this. It's, I could say, it's very rare. Okay. So you could see here. Okay, now the rainfall is stopped, I guess, and the cab driver also slowed down our cars. Okay, so that we could get a more look at the views around us. Okay, so actually I was not fresh. I haven't brushed my teeth and I haven't gone through the morning routine. So my mind was a little bit dizzy at that time. So here's another turn comes. Oh my God, here we go. Oh, I still feel like I'm in that car and going through those curves. It was very beautiful experience for me. So the greenery is most attractive thing about this place. The greenery here, the view here. Oh my God, you rarely find this view in busy cities like Mumbai, Delhi, or anywhere. So that's the case here. So one thing I would like to add that NIT Hamirpur is nearer to Dhauladhar mountain ranges, which covered with snow. So now, as in the winter time, so now I guess I'm just entered the Hamirpur border, and Hamirpur city has now started. Okay, so now in few moments we will reach at our airport. Reach at our bus stand. There, I will take we will take some hotel to stay there, and continue my journey in the next day. So I guess you can see the dog barkings too. They were barking. So I think now I am in Hamirpur. So that's the video that I would like you guys to see. In the next video, I will show you my from my hotel room to NIT Hamirpur, my journey of hotel room to NIT Hamirpur. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this view. Okay, so it is very fascinating view. You can see now the green top of the houses are come. That's the signify that you are in Hamirpur and as well as in Himachal. So that's all for all. See you guys in the next one. Bye.